Hey guys, welcome back. 360 Catering YouTube channel. Chef Cody here. It's National Curry Day. So we're gonna have a little fun. I'm gonna make Thai curry chicken with a little potatoes. We're gonna start out with a olive oil. Put that in your favorite skillet. We're gonna do medium-high heat. Medium-high heat. We're gonna put our curry paste in. Let's stir that around a little bit until smooth. Doesn't take a very long time at all. Maybe about 30 seconds. Might add just a touch more oil. There we go. Turn down the heat just a touch. We'll add in our chicken. Got about a pound of chicken here. And we're going to move that around until all the chicken is coated. Just want to get that curry all around your chicken. Next we're going to add in our coconut milk. We add about half the coconut milk at this time. Oh, that smells so good. I wish I could be here with me. Now this is going to take about 5 minutes. You're going to bring this to a boil. Keep stirring as you go. And you know what, guys? We'll be back with you in just a few moments at 360 Catering Cooking Channel. Okay guys, we're back. As you can see, the curry has dissolved into the coconut milk along with the chicken. Now we're going to add in our rest of our ingredients. A little chicken stock. Potatoes. I like to use red potatoes. It's like the earthiness in them. Some onions. And a little heat. I do something a little different. Being from Texas, I like to use a little serrano peppers in mine. As you see, I did put the seeds in, so mine's going to be pretty spicy. You don't have to really do that for yourself. And then the rest of the coconut milk. All we're going to do is let that get on a nice simmer. Once that gets to a nice simmer, we're going to cover and let it just go for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay guys, we're back with our chicken curry, yellow chicken curry. Our potatoes are nice and tender now, as you can see. That's the key of knowing when it's all going to be ready for you. So I'm going to add just a little fish stock at the very end. Stir it up a little bit. And man, I think we're ready to play. This just smells amazing, guys. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh my God, look at how beautiful that is. We get just a little bit of cilantro. I like to add a little cilantro. And just the very last thing, you add in too early, it's going to become bitter. Oh man, look at that. How beautiful is that? Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to be enjoying this on a nice, cool January day. Add just a little more cilantro on there for color. And man, how do you like that? National Curry Day with a little Thai chicken curry. Thank y'all very much, and as usual, we'll have our ingredients and portions through the full recipe on our 360 Catering and Events website. Thank you very much.